Your website is your business's online home and cPanel is the key to that front door. But if your cPanel is compromised, hackers can walk right in. Today, we'll show you how to lock it down before trouble strikes. First, secure your login. Use a strong password, at least 12 characters with upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enable two-factor authentication in cPanel. This adds a second layer of protection, making it nearly impossible for attackers to log in. Outdated software is an open invitation to hackers. Keep cPanel, your CMS, and all plugins up to date. Many attacks target known vulnerabilities that updates can easily fix. Set reminders or enable automatic updates where possible. Backups are your safety net. Use cPanel's built-in backup tools or your hosting provider's backup service to schedule regular backups. Store copies offline or in secure cloud storage so you can restore your site quickly after an attack. cPanel offers powerful security tools, but you have to turn them on. Start with strong passwords, updates, restricted access, regular backups, and built-in security tools. Protect your cPanel today so you can focus on growing your business tomorrow.